In this video, I'll show you how to check Spotify logged in devices. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now go to your browser. Make sure you're logged into your Spotify account on your browser. So use the spotify.com to be able to log in to your account. Now, I want to tell you something. You can't be able to check the devices currently logged in to your Spotify account, but you can be able to sign out all the devices that are currently logged in. So if you feel that someone is currently using your Spotify account without you knowing, what you need to do, you need to be able to sign out or log out the person. So click on this. Okay, sorry, so scroll down. You're going to be able to see sign out everywhere. Click on it. You're going to be able to see sign out everywhere. So if someone is currently logged into your Spotify without you knowing, and you love to log out the person, so just come on here and click on sign out everywhere. You can be able to log in. So like you can be able to log out and sign out to the person from using your Spotify account on all devices. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I hope you found this video helpful. Share your thoughts below and ask your questions. I'll see you all in the next video.